Hey guys, Zach here. Today I'm gonna start wrapping my E90 interior trims, including the door trim, the dashboards and stuff like that. I've done the dashboard as well, so I'll be doing the door trim as well. Here's the issue though. I know it's easier to do it while it's in the car, but most of the clips from the trims are missing. So basically if I try to wrap it start wiggling around and it might break the other clips and stuff like that. So what I did was I just took out all the clips. I've already ordered the clips as well. It's a white color clip. It's basically like a square white color clip from BMW, but I got it from China and it's extremely cheap. It's like probably 3 ringgit 4 ringgit for 10 pieces. So yeah, I ordered 50 pieces just in case, and to change the whole entire clips in the car. Now before we start, I'm just gonna explain to you guys what you really need. Obviously, basically your heat gun. I use this. I got it from Shopee. It's extremely good. It's super light, it's so versatile to use it. I have a big one as well, but yeah, that is just so annoying. You gotta carry, you gotta hold it. Yeah, this one you just point it like a pen, so it's so much more versatile to use around. Blade, obviously you want the most sharpest blade possible. I use this kind of blade. I have another blade as well, which is a pure stainless steel blade. That one I use mostly to do my car tinted and stuff like that. You want to make sure it's stainless steel so you don't scratch the mirrors and stuff like that. Scraper, I use a tape here to make it more slippery. Actually this is an interior removal tool, but I like this edge here where you can really use to push the air bubbles out. It's really good and it doesn't spoil the vinyl. Alcohol, not to drink. Yeah guys, please do not use vodka and stuff like that. I have this microfiber cloth. Most of the time I use it to wipe down all the dirt, and obviously carbon fiber sticker or vinyl. This is a 7D carbon fiber vinyl. Looks really nice though. Really love it. There's a spare that I have. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. Alright guys, so before you want to start, you make sure you cut out the dimension that you want. Obviously, leave some overlap, probably like an inch away or probably more. The more the better. And once you cut them down, and before you peel out the back part, you want to peel the front part. Always, I've seen people where they wrap their cars and they didn't realize that they had this protective layer on top. And I was like, buddy, do you know you still have the protective layer? And he's like, no shit. I was like, yeah, shit, man. You'll have it on. So yeah, there's a protective layer here. It's basically so you can cut, use, put the sticker wherever it is, and it wouldn't really ruin it. So yeah, just like tinteds though guys, tinteds have protective layers as well, so all the dirt, gums and everything doesn't stick to it, because if once it starts to stick to the tinted, all that dirt, dust and everything, yeah, it's not gonna be clean and sit flush on the windows itself, and it's going to create air bubbles and stuff like that. So yeah, alright boys, that's about it. It's basically my first time as usual. I've done it once for the GTR, but that was a fairly simple one near the cup holder. I just lay it flat and that's about it. Not really much heating up as well. So this one requires a lot of heating up, a lot of stretching, and yep, wish me luck boys. So I'll just do a time lapse so you guys can see how it goes. Hey guys. Alright, so I've done the door trim. It's really hard. Problem is that you see there's this angle. Yeah, so I had to like heat up and stretch the film. At the same time, there's an angle here. I have to stretch this side, I have to stretch this side, I have to stretch this side as well. But it looks good though. I mean, yeah, this part doesn't matter, it's covered, so this part, yeah, it's important. I tried my best. There's a little bit of bubble, one bubble, two bubbles. Anyways, it's just for E90, so no matter, as long as at one glance, you know, it looks covered, it should be good to go. It's not the best job in the world, I admit. You know, it's my first time wrapping, guys, so I'll definitely do more wrapping in the future. I have to touch up some part of it, but so far everything is good. Yeah, I gotta touch up this side though. Let me see. Yep, okay. Alright, hold on. We're gonna heat up and then stretch. Stretch, woman. Sorry about that. All right, looks good. Yep. All right, so no bubble. As at this part I had to, because problem was that I accidentally cut a little bit too much of it, so I didn't want to do the whole thing back because I'm very low of carbon sticker vinyl, so I had no choice and I just like, you know, overlap it. Hopefully it's not too bad. And there's also a sponge right down below here. I think they put like a sponge, a small, you know, adhesive sponge there, because you don't want the interior to make squeaky noise and stuff like that, so that thing kind of dampens, you know, the clips and stuff. But yep, so I'm gonna install it and show you guys when it's done installed. Hey guys, all right, so here's the finishing look. Not too bad, right? Icon panels, the main gear console. I haven't put the start button yet because I'm waiting for the start button cover to arrive. I did the back as well. Not sure if you guys can see that. Yeah. Here as well. I've removed this cover, the top one, and as you can see, all the handlebars, I've removed them. I'm going to be dyeing them to black color. So just all the handlebars, I'm gonna, there's basically something like that. This was just a simple touch up, you know, so I just wanted to see like, does it work? And it does though. It's just that you gotta put multiple layer on it. You gotta put a first layer just to make sure like it's a little bit black, and then you do it full black, and then the third time it's just touching it up and making sure that it looks clean. So yep, so that's about it guys. Thank you guys for watching always.